Yeah. How was your mind in the Akash?
I saw the Irish girl again,
Yeah.
17 Irish girl wearing the silk dress, long sleeves with silk shoes. And then it turned out that she was my angel, but I was that girl. But this time, when she turned into a woman, she already opened her eyes. I can see her eyes already. And then when I entered the house, my blouse was white, but my underpants were still silk, and my shoes were silk. And I saw my father. He had a black hair. I didn't see my mother, but it was a little boy. He must have been a little brother. And we didn't speak so much, we just saw each other, but we were okay, I suppose. And then, I think a few years after, I was in med school because I think my father was a doctor. And then I had this nanny. She was fat, in uniform, so I must have been in the middle class or rich. Anyway, and then I had this bag, and I rode on a train going to some place, and I think I spent my internship there, and then I also teach, something like that. And I didn't see any death scene. I was still at that age, and my name was Sayan. This time the spelling is C-Y-A-N-N-E. The last time when I was an Indian, Sayan, S-A-Y-A-N.
Interesting. And did you get some higher learning or lessons?
Yeah. I was getting a message that you just trust the universe, something like that, and pursue whatever it is that you want to pursue. Everything will be provided for you, something like that.
Lovely.
Yeah, super.